In order to simplify a rational expression, you have to look at the expression itself, look in the numerator and denominator, and you notice that the expression in the numerator is a trinomial. And this trinomial has a greatest common factor that needs to be factored out. As a matter of fact, if you look at the polynomial in the denominator, which is a binomial, it also has a greatest common factor, which we need to factor out. So as we do that, the greatest common factor for 2, 12, and 16 would be 2. That would be the biggest number that will divide evenly into 2, 12, and 16. Therefore, we can take out a 2. And if you look at the exponents, x cubed, x squared, and x, since we have the same variable, in order to take out the GCF, just choose the lowest exponent, which is going to be x. And then this is my GCF for my numerator. And basically, when I factor out a 2, okay, and an x, then this reduces to x squared. And again, when I factor out a 2, again, 12 divided by 2 is going to be 6. And if I have x squared and I take one of the x's out, that reduces to x. And then, of course, half of 16 would be 8. And so when I factor out a 2x, then this trinomial is reduced to this, because essentially I'm dividing every single term in the numerator by 2x, and this is why it gets reduced to x squared plus 6x plus 8. And if I do the same at the bottom, the GCF would be 6. That is the highest value number that divides into 6 and 24 evenly. And I'm left with x plus 4. The next step is we want to make sure that we look at every single polynomial. And the polynomial, the trinomial here, x squared plus 6x plus 8. Okay, let me fix this here. Yes, x squared plus 6x plus 8. We need to factor that trinomial. And basically, there are many ways you can factor trinomials. The quickest way for a simple trinomial would be trial and error, because you look at the c coefficient here, which is 8. Okay, the a coefficient is 1, so all we need to do is find all the factors of 8. Well, if you think about it, I need to choose 2 factors so that when I multiply them together, I get 8, and at the same time when I combine them, I get the middle term, which is 6. Well, the factors that would work would be 2 times 4. And 2 times 4 gives me 8, and 2 plus 4 gives me the 6. So we can go ahead and write our 2 parentheses, sets of parentheses. Keep in mind the denominator is already factored. There's nothing else we can do there. And basically, x squared is going to be basically x times x. That's the only thing that's going to give me x squared. And that's the first term in this trinomial. And then we're going to put 4 and 2, and then plus, because both of my signs in the trinomial in the numerator are plus. And now our last step is to cancel like terms in both the numerator and denominator. Well, the only thing that would cancel, okay, would be your x plus 4. We can also cancel the 2, because 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So this leaves me a reduced expression. So we have x equals equals x plus 2 all over 3.